dapat may PR training kayo as a kid na huwag kang maging mayabang about these things kasi mapaghahalataan ka. Sabi nga dun sa kanta ni Glock 9, di ba? Huwag kang masyadong halata. Tangin na to, sinabi mo about food costing 700,000 pesos. Natsipang ka pa. Putang ina, bre, sino din magagalit sa'yo?
Yep.
Ang pa rin eh. Ang yabang pa rin, di ba?
Yeah. Tsaka personally naman, I think if isa man lang sa kanila ang nag-step up to fight against the corruption na clearly they are involved in, di ba? I'm sure that merong susuporta sa kanila na parang, oh yeah, like I see this person actually trying to fight for what's right. And they're like the son of this person. Pero no one's stepping up to do that.
Pero wala. Hindi. Ito kasi yun. Like, ikaw ba naman, kakalabanin yung magulang mo, right? That second of all, sila yung pinaka nagbe-benefit doon. Kasi hindi man lang sila yung nasa posisyon eh, di ba? It was someone else in the position.